Hi, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic. I love this topic. Do you have any goals in your life? Have you written down any goals in your diary? Are those goals achieved or still lying in your diary? Do you have a feeling that your goals are not getting materialized or you're not able to achieve those goals? Do you fall in this bucket? There is a solution for this. Are you interested? Many times what happens is when these goals are set, we really don't follow on those goals and we get really frustrated and we lose hope, we lose self-esteem, and at some point of time we also become a kind of a negative people. Okay, you know why? Because we are not setting smart goals. So what are the smart goals? S stands for specific. So are your goals are very specific? Like for example, many people would have written that I want to become healthy by such and such a time. Okay, do you feel this is a smart goal? Do you feel this is a specific goal? No, right? So assume that if you want to reduce your weight, you need to specifically mention that I would like to see myself from 95 kgs to 85 kgs by end of December 2020. So this is very specific, isn't it? Similarly, it can hold good for your professional goals, your personal goals as well. Now, M stands for measurable. Now, I already said that you need to reduce, you wanted to reduce from 95 kgs to 85 kgs. So, is this measurable? Yes, of course, it is measurable. So, you set a calendar, for example, every week or maybe every once in 15 days. And if you are seeing a progress, it means that you are really walking in a right direction. And if you are not, it means that you need to readjust your daily routine and your lifestyle. So, that's about measurable. Now, next comes A. Is A achievable? Is the goal whatever you have specified, is it achievable? Some people would have said that I want to reduce from 95 kgs to 45 kgs and in a span of 3 months. Do you think it is achievable? It's not, right? A nominal reduction of 5 to 10 kgs, yes, definitely it's achievable, but not beyond that, right? So to ensure that the goals whatever you're setting, it is really achievable. And R stands for relevant. Is it really relevant? Is this the need of the hour? Are there something which is much important in your life to set the goals? So check whether it is really relevant. Next is T stands for time bound. You need to have any goal with a timeline. Without a timeline, it's never a goal. Okay. So ensure that all your goals are time bound. So in this case, whatever we have set is we need to reduce from 95 kgs to 85 kgs by end of December 2020. That is 30th December 2020. Be very specific and be very time bound. Once you set smart goals, I am sure you'll be able to achieve it and you'll have great enthusiasm by seeing the progress of your goals over a period of time. I am sure that you'll be reaching great heights. All the best. Bye bye.